Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can join you in experiences on your account on Roblox easy and quick. First, click settings and now click privacy. Now here you find this here who can join me in experience. Click on it and click no one and it will be saved. And that's it. That's how to make no one can join you in experiences easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.